Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the Java Lambda expression example using the Foreach loop. So here suppose list, string type of list, we are having new array list, we need to add some element in the array list, string type Sanjay, Ankit, Sanjay, Jyoti. So here is the list is ready. Now we need to retrieve this list, print this list using the Lambda expression. So list dot for each, here is the parameter, we need to pass any, we can take any name, and this is the Lambda expression sys out. So this is the list we are trying to retrieve using the Lambda expression. So this is the Lambda expression. Here this is the list we are trying to using the Foreach loop, and this is the parameter, that means list, and we are printing that list one by one. Let's run this. See, this is the example. That's it from this video. In the next video we will talk about the Java Lambda expression with the multiple statements. Thanks for watching.